Didn't sleep that well last night, still got up the same. Coffee tastes a little off, nothing feels the same. People moving way too fast, you're a step behind. Trying just to keep it up with the crowd in mind. You don't need to fix it, you don't need to try. Not every kind of feeling needs a reason why. It's okay today, if you feel this way. You don't have to hide it, you don't have to stay. It's okay today, let it fade away. Even if it lingers, it'll pass someday. Didn't check your